Hello, everyone. Do you like traveling? Do you like seeing new places? I'm sure you do. But let me ask you a question. Do you feel scared when you enter a hotel? Do you feel nervous when you talk to the receptionist?
Maybe you want a room with a nice view, but you don't know how to ask. Maybe you are afraid you will make a mistake.
But language barriers are real. They can make a fun trip feel stressful. If you want to travel with confidence, if you want to book a room easily, then this lesson is for you. Welcome back to the Daily English Listening Stories channel. My name is Leo. I'm your host today.
And I am Anna. It is wonderful to be here with you. We are here to help you speak English, naturally and confidently.
Anna, let's talk about hotels. When you travel, what is the most important thing for you? Is it the food? Is it the bed? Or is it the Wi-Fi?
Oh, Leo, that is a difficult question. I love a soft bed, but honestly, I need a good breakfast. If the hotel has no eggs, I am sad. What about you, Leo?
For me, it is the view. I like to look out the window. I want to see the ocean or the mountains. I do not want to see a brick wall.
That makes sense. So today, we will tell a story about booking a hotel room. You will learn exactly what to say. Are you ready?
Let's jump in. Now it is time for the story. Imagine this scene. Anna is at a hotel. She is tired. She needs a room. I will be the receptionist. Anna will be the guest. Just listen. Relax your shoulders. Don't stress about every single word. Let's listen.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the Seaside Hotel. How can I help you today?
Hi, I would like to book a room for tonight.
Do you have a reservation?
No, I don't. Do you have any free rooms?
Let me check. Yes, we have a room. How many nights are you staying?
Just 2 nights. Tonight and tomorrow night.
Okay. Do you want a single room or a double room?
A single room, please. Wait, does the room have a view of the ocean?
Yes, it does. It is a beautiful room on the 5th floor. The price is $100 per night.
Does that include breakfast?
Yes, breakfast is included. It is served from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m.
That sounds perfect. I will take it.
Great. Can I have your passport, please?
Here you go.
And how would you like to pay?
I will pay by credit card.
Thank you. Here is your key card. You are in room 502. The elevator is on the left.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy your stay.
That was a great conversation. Anna, you got a room with an ocean view. Lucky you.
Yes, and I got breakfast. That is the important part.
Now, let's look at the words we used. We want you to understand everything. We will explain the key words clearly. Listen and repeat after us. The first word is reservation. R-E-S-E-R-V-A-T-I-O-N. It's a long word.
Yes, a reservation means a booking. You call before you arrive, you save the room for yourself. It's like a promise.
Exactly. If you call a restaurant to save a table, that's a reservation. If you book a hotel online last week, you have a reservation. Example sentence. I made a reservation for 2 nights. Your turn. Repeat. I made a reservation.
Very good. The next phrase is single room. Single room.
This is simple. A single room is for one person. Usually, the bed is smaller. If you travel alone, you book a single room.
But if you travel with your husband or wife, or a friend, then you need a double room. A double room has a big bed for 2 people. Example sentence. I would like a single room, please. Repeat. I would like a single room.
Perfect. Our next word is view. V-I-E-W.
The view is what you see from the window. If you see the blue sea, that is a sea view. If you see city lights, that is a city view. If you see a wall, that is a bad view.
We all want a good view. Example sentence. Does the room have a nice view? Repeat. Does the room have a nice view?
Great. The next word is included.
This means it's inside the price. You do not pay extra money. It's free because you paid for the room.
So if breakfast is included, I eat eggs and coffee for free. I love that word. Example sentence. Is breakfast included? Repeat. Is breakfast included?
Moving on. Check in.
To check in means to arrive and register. You go to the desk, you show your passport, you get the key. That process is called checking in.
The opposite is check out, when you leave the hotel and pay the bill. Example sentence. I want to check in, please. Repeat. I want to check in.
And the last one for today, key card.
This, in the past, we used metal keys, heavy metal keys. Now, modern hotels use plastic cards. They look like credit cards. You touch the door with the card to open it.
Don't lose it. If you lose it, you cannot sleep. Example sentence. Here is your key card. Repeat. Here is your key card.
Wonderful. Now you have the vocabulary power. Let's practice using them.
Okay, friends. Now it is time for action. We will ask you questions about the story. You must answer out loud. Don't be shy. Speak to your phone. Speak to your computer.
Are you ready? Question number 1. Did Anna have a reservation?
No, she didn't. She walked in without a reservation.
Question number 2. How many nights did Anna want to stay?
She wanted to stay for 2 nights.
Question number 3. Did she want a single room or a double room?
She wanted a single room, just for herself.
Question number 4. What kind of view did she ask for? Did she want a city view?
No, she asked for an ocean view. She likes the sea.
Question number 5. How much was the room per night?
It was $100. $100 per night.
Question number 6. Was breakfast included in the price?
Yes, it was. Anna was very happy about that.
Last question. How did Anna pay? Did she use cash?
No, she didn't use cash. She paid by credit card.
Excellent work. If you spoke out loud, you are a winner.
Wow, you did an amazing job today. Think about it. You listened to a story in English. You learned new travel words, and you answered questions.
That's not easy, but you're doing it. Learning a language is like climbing a mountain. You go step by step. Today, you took a big step.
Maybe your English feels slow. That's okay. Slow is good. Slow means you are careful. Slow means you are learning deep.
Imagine your next trip. You walk into a hotel, you smile. You say, I would like a room, and you feel calm. You can do this. We believe in you.
Consistency is the secret key. Come back every day. Listen a little every day. Soon you will speak without thinking.
Thank you for spending your time with us. If you found this video helpful, please do us a favor. Hit the like button. It helps other students find this lesson.
And please subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new story.
Check out our other videos. We have stories about shopping, restaurants, and making friends. They're all easy and fun.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, keep speaking English.
Have a wonderful day. See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Goodbye.